To enable high contrast mode on the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting. Now tap the gray on offset next to high contrast mode until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tap the back key to go back to the main page. As you can see, now Samsung Internet app is using dark background and high contrast font to give you a better readability. Given to the function, you can enable this mode so you can easily read web pages in a low light environment. Or if you are the one with low vision, like sensitivity or diminished contrast vision. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.